The last basic data type which we will speak about is boolean. Boolean, it means if it is true or false. So I will use variables here, okay? So for example, is adult, this is variable, this is my term, this name is completely up to me, okay? So is adult, is he adult, is she adult, we can call true. True, it means it's right, okay? True. He is adult or she is adult, okay? For example, has children, false, because he or she doesn't have children, okay? That's false. That's not true, that's false. Is pensioner, it's true, for example. Has elementary school, and we say, okay, it's true, he finished it. Has car, false, okay? So boolean, there are only two values, true or false, okay? Nothing less, nothing more, only true and false. So true and false, they are very important in programming languages. We will see it later, okay? So it is boolean value or boolean data types, and the values are true or false. We have these three basic data types. It means string, after that numbers, float and integer, and the third is boolean. And we have more data types in Python as well, but we will speak about them later.